Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play as Luigi in New Super Mario Bros. 2 on the Nintendo 3DS. First, to unlock Luigi, you need to complete the main story. This means you must journey through all 6 worlds and defeat the final boss, Bowser, in World 6. Once you achieve this significant milestone, Luigi will be ready for you to select on your save file, offering a fresh adventure. Once you have completed the main story, head to the File Select screen. Locate your completed save file, which will have a star next to it. To choose Luigi, simply highlight that save file. Then, press and hold the L button on your 3DS console, and while holding it, press the A button. Your character will instantly switch to Luigi. Playing as Luigi offers a distinct experience compared to Mario. Luigi is known for his impressive jump height, allowing him to reach platforms and secrets Mario cannot. However, he also has slightly less traction, meaning he slides a bit more after landing or stopping. This unique movement style requires some adjustment, but it opens up new possibilities for exploration and finding hidden items. Luigi's higher jump is a significant advantage, enabling you to discover hidden coin blocks and power-ups in elevated spots. His unique physics can also help you uncover secret exits and shortcuts that might be difficult for Mario to reach. Take some time to practice his slightly different controls. Mastering Luigi will provide a fun, new challenge and a fresh perspective on your favorite levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.